If you're a member of Troop 801 and you're interested to learn how your boy is advancing, this is how you can check that. Log in to our website, troopmasterweb.com/troop 801. Use your parent login. All the boys have logins as well, by the way. So now I want to see how my scout is doing. I'm going to look at my scout management. There are a couple places where you can see this. One is here. I'm going to look at I'm going to click his name, and I can look at a lot of things. I can look at his personal information, update his address, and other things. I can update his parent information here. I also can look at his advancement, awards that he's earned, leadership, training, his swimming levels, where he sits for Order of the Arrow. Mikosei is not something that we use in Troop 801. We're going to look at advancement in this case, and it will bring up my scout again and then all his levels of advancement. So while he may only be working on first class, for example, he may already have completed things for Star or Eagle based on what he's working on. For example, if he's already earned merit badges, he may already have enough merit badges to have fulfilled these requirements here. In this case, though, our guy has just earned his first class, and you can see all of this is completed. As your son is working on his advancement, these things will be blank, and you as a parent can fill in these dates. Now, there are some things that we would ask that you not fill in. For example, anything that's set, if you look here, you can see exactly what is required. So patrol knowledge, for example, might not be something that you could mark off for your son because you wouldn't know if he knows how to give a patrol yell. Identifying poison plants, that might be something you could do with him, or it might be something that needs to be done through the troop. So you can fill these things in, and you can track his advancement that way. Another way to track his advancement is by running a report on your son. So go to reports, and we're going to go to advancement, and you can look at either his individual history or his individual progress. I think they both kind of say the same thing. Choose your scout, and then you can include what things you'd like to see. I always view both. Click OK. And your report pops up. So here's my report, and it tells me what his current rank is. So I know he's first class, so the next thing he'll be working on is Star. This is the day that he became first class. And these are the requirements he's completed, which are none, and these are some of the requirements that are remaining. I'm sorry, it's all the requirements that are remaining. Merit badges, 4 of which have to be Eagle. Participation, Scout Spirit. He has to have 6 service hours. He has to have 121 days in a position of responsibility. He has to perform a Scoutmasters Conference and go through a board of review. This is the list of all the Eagle required merit badges. This is how many he's earned, and this would be a list of his partial merit badges. Because this guy doesn't have much, I'm going to go ahead and show you another scout. Let me click out of here so that you can see what it looks like when a scout might have some requirements completed in a higher rank advancement than he currently is. So Alex currently is a Star, so I want to look and see where he is as far as his Eagle is concerned. So I'm looking at his Eagle, and it shows all these merit badges have been earned. So right now he needs no merit badges for his Eagle, or it would say it up here. When I hover over this, I see that he needs to be active in the troop for at least 6 months to be a Life Scout. He needs to complete an Eagle project. There's a lot of information about that. He needs to hold a position of responsibility for at least 6 months. If I want to look at palms, Alex has already earned his first bronze palm. Oh. Okay, here we see if he wants to earn his second bronze palm, he needs to do 2 more merit badges. There's 5 merit badges are required. He needs to do 2 more before he can earn his second palm. So you can see that it tells you what is left remaining, what your child already has, and you can see how he's progressing. Now, if I wanted to run a report on him, I would go to reports, and let's look at advancement again, individual progress, Alex, okay. And his report looks like this. It's a lot more filled in. So Alex currently is a Star Scout and he's trying to rank up to Life. This is what he's completed for Life Scout. This is what he still needs to do. He still needs to complete his board of review. These are the merit badges that he's already earned. These are merit badges that he's working on, and you can see how to do that in another video. So this report will always tell me exactly what is remaining for my son to rank up and what he's already completed. You have access to run these reports at any time. So I hope that helps you in planning your boy's progress.